Got Talent Performance Night. Nako, itong next semi-finalist natin, pagsamahin mo naman ang mad guitar skills, soothing voice, and dashing good looks. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa. Light Gauge Acoustic, watch this.
When I see your face, it's not a thing that I would.
Sa mga gigs namin, ang dami talagang nakakilala. Ang daming nagsasabi ng good luck. Pressured na pressured kami.
Grabe po yung kasabay namin, yung gagaling po talaga.
Yun, unang-una siguro puso talaga eh. Ibigay namin yung best namin. Good luck kay Ben. Sana mas lalo pang hatawin niya yung gitara.
Good luck bro.
Sana di ako pumiyok.
Sana wag ka pumiyok. Sa tanan ng mga taga-Bacolod, ito na chance natin. Sana po supportahan niyo po kami. Saka sa mga sumusuporta sa amin, salamat po.
OMG, eto na sila. Give it up for our duo from Bacolod, Light Gauge Acoustic.
Oh my gosh, baby, let me did it again, so I'm gonna let the beat drop. Oh my, I feel in love with shorty when I see her on the dance floor. She was dancing sexy, pop, 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 and drop it low. Never ever has a lady hit me on the first sight. This was something special. This was just like dynamite. Honey got some booty like pow, pow, pow. Honey got some booties like wow, oh wow. Girl, you know I'm loving your style. Check, 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 checking you out like oh. She got it on, sexy from her head to toes. I want it all, you know, you know. So baby, let me love you down. There's so many ways to love you, baby. I can break you down. There's so many ways to love you. Got me like, oh my gosh, I'm so in love. I found you finally. You make me wanna say, oh, 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 oh my gosh. Oh, oh, oh my. Oh, oh, oh my, 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 my. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, oh my. Oh, oh, oh my, 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 my. Oh my gosh. Give it up for Ben. Woo! Come on, come on. Chill. Thank you.
Thank you, Showtime dancers, and of course, Light Gauge Acoustic. How y'all feeling, man? Alam mo, napansin ko, bro, bago gitara natin.
Nasira po kasi yung dati kong gitara.
So,
Kailan po,
sino naman ang nagbigay nito? May kinalaman daw ang PGT dito eh. So, kwento mo naman ng konti sa amin.
bali po, bigay po to ng friend namin from Bacolod. Si Rian, salamat po.
So, isa siyang fan? Fan or friend or special someone?
No po. Friend po. Friend namin.
Okay. Judges?
Sino yung mga kinlose-up doon? Sinong family members to?
Ano
Bali,
po kayo?
wife.
Pinsan?
Wife ko po.
Tatay?
Wife ko po.
Asawa
Awa,
kami?
may asawa na, si Ven.
Tsaka yung daughter ko po.
Ay, ito, wala asawa.
Di ba yan yung pag-aagawan natin?
Oo,
Ito
pero...
si baby.
Oh, yan dapat pag-aagawan natin. Pero dahil sa performance niya ngayon, sa'yo na lang siya.
Aray ko! Hindi kita kinaya doon, friendship. Okay. Ven, as always, you are amazing. Yung,
Thank you po.
yung talaga, di ba, friendship? Yung,
Yes.
Di ba, boss? Ang galing niya talaga tumugtog. In fairness kay Sol, nag-effort ka naman na pagandahin ang katawan mo.
Tama.
Pumayat ka at ang ganda ng braso mo ngayon.
Salamat po.
Pero yun lang ang kaya kong puriin for now.
Sana ano na lang to, di ba? Pagandahan ng katawan. Panalo na si Sol. Pero si Ben ay napakagaling. Ang galing mo talagang tumugtog. Amp na amp ka na naman. Ang pogi ng dating mo.
Yeah!
Boss?
Dahil hindi ako nakukuha sa
Katawan,
katawan
wala
at
akong
saka
pake.
pogi. Pero Sol at Ben, you have brought your performance to another level. I'm so amazed with you. Ang galing nyo.
Salamat po.
So that means, friendship, malakas ang masculine appeal nila kasi gustong-gusto sila ni boss.
Oo nga.
Lalaking-lalaki sila
In fairness naman
mag-perform.
kay Sol, ang laki talaga, ang ganda ng inilaki ng katawan niya.
Oo, nakita ko nga na si Vice talaga eh. Tuwan-tuwa sa performance mo. Di ba, Vice?
Talaga?
Nararamdaman ko na si Vice gusto kang
Ito,
makaduet.
natutuwa ba ang mga fans?
Ayun!
At
Natutuwa
salamat.
na sila.
Natutuwa ang mga fans.
And thank you for paying tribute to what PGT has been able to do for your career. Kasi di ba ang Light Gauge sumikat ng gusto, as you said, sa inyong mga gigs. So sana magpatuloy ang inyong kasikatan. Good luck.
Good luck.
Thank you very
Mga
much.
muscle mo, paputukin mo pa.
Okay po.
Thank you very much, judges. Kung nabilib kayo sa performance ng Light Gauge Acoustic, ito ang dapat ninyong tandaan. PGT space Light. That's L-I-G-H-T. Ito, we're halfway through with semifinals week 1. And when we come back, piritan time na with the Madrigal siblings sa pagbabalik ng Pilipinas Got Talent.